Hey, let's do some more practice with these pyramids, right? We're going to get a little more into the square pyramids, the triangular pyramids, all that fun stuff, okay? Kara is making a model of the Pyramid of the Sun for a history project. The base is a square, love squares, with a side length of 12. So I'm going to label that right there. Side length of 12 inches. Each triangular face has a height of 7. What is the surface area of Kara's model? So I'm going to find the base and I'm going to find the faces. Starting with the whole base of that square pyramid, it's a square, so I can go 12 times 12 and get 144, correct? Then let's move on to the faces, all of those triangles that pop up. So the faces are triangles, so we're going to go 1/2. Base is 12. Told me height. They told us the height is 7. Half of 12 is 6 times 7 is 42. And then there are 4 of them, so I'm going to times by 4 and get 168. The final step is to go 144 plus 168 and get 312. And because it's area, we're going to go inches squared. Okay, hopefully you've had plenty of practice with that. Let's go on to this triangular pyramid, though. So with the triangular pyramid, it's still going to be the same. We're still going to be finding the base. And we're still going to be finding the faces. But instead of timesing by 4 here, we'll only end up timesing by 3. Okay, so looking at this base, there's my little 90-degree angle there. So I'm going to take the 2 and the 1.7. And that is going to give me 0.5 times 2 times 1.7. Oh, shocker, 1.7. Okay, so the base is 1.7 yards squared. Now let's go with the faces, the triangular faces. So 1/2 times 2 is still the base, but this time on the faces, it's 2 inches tall. So 0.5 times 2 times 2, which is 2 yards squared. But we're going to times that by 3 because there's 3 of them. So we end up with 1.7 plus 6, which is 7.7 yards squared. And there I did it again. The calculator in the way. I'm sorry. Okay, so there's where I times by 3. Because if I were to net that out, I got the base was 1.7, but then I have 1, 2, 3. So that's why I timesed it by 3 right there. A triangular pyramid. Now, I don't have a picture here, so I am going to draw it out. Triangular, there's the name of our base, pyramid, has a base with an area of 43 square centimeters. So they already found the area for me. I know that that is 43 square centimeters. So done, boom. I already got the base, 43 square centimeters. I didn't have to do anything else. And lateral faces with bases of 10 and a height of 8.6. So now for the faces, I'm going to go 1/2 times 10 times 8.6. 5 times 8.6 is 43. I'm going to remember that that's 43, 43, 43, isn't it? So I'm going to times it by 3 and get 129 square centimeters. Moving on. Chase is building a sandcastle in the shape of a triangular pyramid. So here we got a triangular pyramid again. It's a triangular pyramid, triangle on the bottom as the base, and 3 triangles coming up, okay? The area of the base is 7 square feet. So again, they give us the area of that. So you don't have to find it at all, 7 square feet. But we do have to find the everything else. So the side, each side of the base has a length of 4 feet and a height of 2 feet. So we'll go 1/2 times 4 times 2, which will give us 4 square feet. So that's 4, that's 4, that's 4, times by 3, give me 12, 12 plus 7. The base and the faces all together is 19 square feet. Boom. Okay, find the surface area of the square pyramid. Find the lateral area. So we're going to find the surface area. We're also going to find the lateral area. Okay, we're going to remember that lateral means no base. Awesome. Okay, so to find the whole surface area, we do need the base, and we need all of the faces. So starting with the base, it's a square pyramid, so we're going to go 8 times 8 and get 64. The faces are triangles, so we're going to go 1/2 times 8, because that's 8 times 9, and that's 4 times 9, which is 36. Because it's a square pyramid, there are 4 lateral faces. So we're going to times by 4 and get 144. So I'm going to take the 64 and the 144 and get 208 square feet for the surface area. Now for the lateral area, it's the exact same thing, but no base. So I'm just looking at the faces. That's 144 square feet. All right. Okay, there's your answers. Hopefully that made more sense. See you later.